Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all at the Green Gardens Expo 2021. My name is Garden Trump. And we will make gardening great again. Number one, folks. Number one. You need to bring all the good pests back again. For that, you must avoid pesticide and use organic sprays, organic things on your beautiful little flowers and plants. How great is that? And number two now. Number two, we will make our flowers smiling again. We will feed them NPK, water soluble NPK, for them to grow healthily and bloom greatly. How great is that? Alright, number three. Wait, is it number two or number three? Wait, I don't know. It doesn't matter. Next. We will bring our birds back again. For that, we will give them food, water, and everything they need to keep a healthy and smiling life for them. How great is that? Alright, folks, 1 minute, time out. And one more thing. I thank you all for making me the President of United States of Gardenica. Thank you. So, folks, stay happy, stay healthy, keep on gardening, and happy gardening.